Vicky. Now I would like to present about introduction of KFC. Kentucky Fried Chicken. KFC is an American fast food restaurant chain headquartered in Louisville, Kentucky. KFC is the world's largest and most well-known fried chicken restaurant, with chains in more than 10,000 locations and worldwide in 80 countries. Now, I would like to present the objective of using information system in business. First, operational excellence. Information systems are important to KFC managers for achieve higher levels of efficiency and productivity in operations. Business improve the efficiency of their operations in order to achieve higher profitability. Information systems are important tools available to KFC managers for achieving higher levels of efficiency and productivity in business operation. The second one is new products, service, and business models. Information system is a major tool for KFC to create new products, service, and also an entirely new business model. By using information system, describe how KFC produces, delivers, and sells its products and service to increase profits and feedbacks. The third one is customer and supplier intimacy. The customers who are served by KFC will become repeat customers who return and purchase more. The more business engage its suppliers, the better the supplier can provide vital inputs to raise their revenue and profits. The fourth objective is improve decision making. When facing problems, KFC manager having real-time data to improve ability to make decisions. Managers of KFC having the right information at the right time to make an informed decision. This raise outcomes, less costs, and raise customer. Information system make it possible for the managers to use real-time data from the marketplace when making decisions. For example, KFC provide the list of menu together with price on the advertisement in the website so that the customer can find the details about the menu. The fifth objective is competitive advantage. KFC supply chain and distribution system allow the fast food giant to cultivate relationship with business partners where the competition is still struggling. KFC is also able to compete effectively because of its famous trade secret, 11 herbs and spices that it uses in their products and sell over the world. The last one is survival. Business need to invest in information system out of necessity to keeping up with competitors. KFC introduced a website for the order foods from their company. It makes the customer save their time to waiting the foods. Now is the part of benefits, advantage of information system used in business. First, traditional competitors. Fast food industry competitors of KFC is McDonald's, Pizza Hut, Nando's, and Subway. KFC always having various of deals and price cut offered especially in burgers between McDonald's and KFC. These fast food branches result in the requirement for KFC to innovate and diversify their product range in order to negate the effect that their indirect rivals have on them. KFC innovations such as the bargain bucket have ensured the customers are provided with diverse products to differentiate them from their main rivals. Also, the use of information management system to communicate the secret recipe and intellectual property rights to the South Hall branch from headquarters ensure efficiency and profitability. The second benefit, new market entrance. The existing brands like KFC have strong brand image that they have built a huge, loyal customer base. The customer avoid to go other restaurants to have same product taste, restaurant environment, and also excellent customer service. Brand image and marketing enables KFC to increase brand loyalty among customers, which creates difficulty for new companies to enter the marketplace. Third benefit is substitute product and service. Trade of substitute of KFC is high. That's because of there are number of restaurants that are offering similar product with KFC. Moreover, people nowadays increase their health concerns to switch from fast food to health-oriented food as offered by Subway or made at home. The fourth benefit is customer. KFC cannot raise the price and force the customer to purchase their products at higher rates. Otherwise, the customer will simply shift to another competitors. KFC customers are likely to be consumed such as families and individuals. Customers are likely to change their preference over increase of price. Also, since there is fierce competition, this provides customers with choice and give the impression of strong bargaining power. However, KFC is globally recognizable and face-to-face interaction with customers increase brand loyalty. Last benefit is suppliers. The main raw materials of KFC is chicken, potatoes, and soft drinks. KFC needs large size and frequent to order with its suppliers, so the suppliers do not hold bargaining powers against KFC and cannot attempt to raise their price. Hence, suppliers receive a good proportion of their business from KFC and are required to remain loyal and to offer the best possible deal to retain the fast food restaurant as their customers.
Now I'm going to talk about the topic 4, e-commerce, digital market and digital goods. First of all, e-commerce is buying and selling goods or services by using internet. Next, why e-commerce is so different? I have listed 3 reasons here. The first one is the interactivity. Buyer and seller can interact directly. For example, like KFC have created a website that provide food delivery service. And then the second one is ubiquity. The customer can shop at anywhere and anytime. Then the last one is richness. The customer can refer to the video, audio and the text as a reference. Next, we move to the e-commerce revenue model. How the KFC make their profit. Basically, KFC make their profit through sales, which is selling their chicken and burger to their customer through website or KFC delivery app. Then the next one is how has e-commerce transformed marketing? I have listed 3 ways here. Then the first one is internet advertising format. KFC advertise on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and so on. Then the second one is native advertising. For example, like the advertisement shows in our newsfeed on social network. Then the last one is programmatic ad buying. The KFC set 100 programmatic video for each hot and cheesy burger during their promotion. Next, we move to the social e-commerce. KFC are using social sign-on, which means the user can use the existing information from a social networking service. For example, the customer can use Google, Facebook or Instagram account to sign in to their KFC delivery app on website. Last but not least, I'm going to talk about the social network marketing. The KFC promote their product on social media, for example like Facebook, Google, Instagram, because people nowadays are using it oftenly.
The KFC use MIS system to capture information, store data, and especially making bills of sales, setting up product price and product code. The KFC also using the ERP system, including the CRM software. ERP system help in better monitoring and quicker resolution of problem, improve timeliness. It help to reduce maintenance and training costs. Plus, the software expenses also decrease. The software which can control many business activities such as quality management, sales, inventory management, and production. The ERP software which include the EDI as the structured transmission of data to other branch. AMS is the attendance monitoring system. It is a system for employees to register or take attendance. The CAD, CAM or CAE is a system that handles the design, manufacturing and engineering function, while the DMS is record of transaction handle and cross-checking. The CMS is communication management system. It is overall communication within organization. And lastly is the SMS. Before KFC implement of ERP, the KFC are using many IT solutions in operating their business. KFC have a hard time as there were many issues happen during management before using ERP. Example of problem is multiple data entries, tracking stock and invoice, handling payroll to head office such as the month-end financial report, and this evident IT system could not communicate with one another. After KFC implement the ERP helps in standardized business process of all outlets, tracks and manage data easier. It helps to reduce the duplicate data entries. Other business software that used by KFC such as account payable software, business process management software, customer experience system, and restaurant POS. KFC also using the prototype design, and it can be built rapidly as the surface is smaller and require low cost compared to the normal shop. In addition, the prototype model allow owner operate their business, and the owner can expand their business bigger anytime. The mobile application service are used by the KFC. KFC launched mobile wallet earlier and partnered with the AirTag to create KFC Fast Track, a solution that successfully cut down ordering and waiting time up to 60 to 70%. KFC have its own website and its apps based on the different nation. It is available for Android and iOS user. The user can check the updates and limited promotion from the website page, and the apps can store ordering history, favorite food, and payment details.
Now I'm going to talk about securing information system. The first one is internet vulnerability. Any customer that dine in KFC restaurant can use or log in to their Wi-Fi for free and switch through email or instant messaging that's sent by consumer to KFC through social media or web page. The second is malicious software. Advertisement viruses spread by download, fraud KFC link, spam email or IM using mobile devices. Third is hacker and computer crime. Cybercrime can operate anywhere in the world by sending unaffiliated promotion of KFC company to people, scam on social media, online website or any chat and messaging platform to reveal people information. The fourth is software vulnerability. KFC advertisement software contain flaws that create security vulnerability that can cause bug or zero defect cannot be achieved through operating system software. The fifth is business value of security and control. When some major breach or data leak, KFC can immediately change password after a hacker breach KFC website to prevent company information loss. The lastly is tools and technology for safeguarding information system, used to identify management software and keep track of all KFC users and right to protecting identities, private and confidential, to monitor network to detect and deter intruders.
The ethical and social issue related to system is informational right and obligation. For example, KFC posts new challenge to the protection of privacy in terms of recipe to in case of another people will copy their recipe. And secondly is property right and obligation. It's about the ease of publication, ease of transmission, and ease of alienation. Thirdly is the accountability and control. It's about the responsibility, liability, accountability, and the due process. Besides that, is the system quality. For example, KFC may face the software bugs, error, and hardware or facility failure. Lastly is the quality of life. For example, computer crime and abuse and employment. Now is technology trend that raise the ethical issue. Firstly is the computing power double every 18 months. Not only the KFC, other organizations depends on computer system for critical operation. Secondly is the data storage cost rapidly decline. Organization can easily maintain database on individual. And the thirdly is networking advice. KFC copying data from one location to another and accessing personal data from remote location are much easier. How to prevent those issues occur? Firstly is the fair information practice. This is a general term for a set of standards governing the collection and use of personal data and addressing issues of privacy and security. And the secondly is the Greenwich Beauty Act. This is a federal law that requires financial institutions to expand how they share and protect their customer private information. And the last is the trademark. Trademark is a symbol or a word legally registered or established by use as representing a company or a product.
Now I'm going to talk about conclusion. Lesson learned. How information system is used or implemented in a business such as KFC company. Moreover, What are the benefits, advantage of information system used in KFC company? Learn method for building information system and way to secure for KFC company. Besides that are how to prevent ethical and social issues raised by information system and ways to solve problem of KFC. The problem we face are need time to search for information and complete assignment, and make discussion and do the right decision to solve the problem. And for the knowledge we gain, the useful of information system in an organization to achieve its goal, IS strategy dealing with competitive force and the internet impact on competitive advantage. Key concept in e-commerce, digital market and digital good in a global market. And lastly is building, securing information system and understanding ethical and social issues related to system.